Hello guys, ZTV here. Welcome back to another video. Firstly, today is the day after Oxford Office Day. I've made two videos recently about that, and I hope everyone is coping well with it, and I hope everyone's just enjoying their time, relaxing, taking a well-deserved break. I think mocks are going on as well, so if you are having your mocks, best of luck with that. But if you do not perform that well, that's okay. I'm sure you have March mocks, which you should take a bit more seriously because it's the last practice. So be nice to yourself and just give yourself the time you deserve. Recently, right, I've been hearing a lot about this AI chatbot called ChatGPT. I'll just get that up here. This thing here, I've used it a few times just randomly, but today I thought I'd experiment it with you guys with different commands I'll put in and see where we go with it, really. It's really taken the news and social media by storm because it is described as quite advanced. So as you can see, a lot of people are using it. So we're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight while we work on scaling our systems. You can see this page here, chat. Examples of stuff you could say is explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? How do I make HTTP request in JavaScript? Capabilities, remember what user said earlier in the conversation, allows user to provide follow-up and follow-up corrections, trained to decline inappropriate requests. And the limitations are it may occasionally generate information because I think this is quite new technology that's just been released on the internet, so that's why it may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So you can't ask about the future, for example. The other thing in the bottom is it's free research preview. Our goal is to make AI systems more natural and safe to interact with. Your feedback will help us improve. So yeah, at a first glance, it does seem quite interesting. It looks like it should be able to take any requests from humans except from things that may be inappropriate and things in the future, things that are pretty much impossible. Experiment with this. Let's just start off with saying, "Hi, how are you?" I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings or physical sensations. However, I'm here to help you question problems to the best of my abilities. Ah, that's good. How were you made? Oh, that is really cool. Of things that is really interesting. It said it can't predict things in the future, but let's say what happens if we do request something from the future? And what will happen in 2023? Oh, I spelled it wrong. What will in 2023, but it understands I want to predict it. That is quite smart. Yeah, that's a good point. You can even put like general things like, what can I buy for my dad? It's so cool. I'm hearing a lot of people are using this technology in all different types of forms, just for fun, for ideas, for business. I've heard people making money from using this, making life easier, everything. For some reason, I think maybe struggling with this one. Hmm. You can even do write me an essay on World War II, for example. Oh, it's still loading. Right, there was an error generating response. Something's happened. Have I broke it? So it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. Let's try something, I guess, inappropriate. How to make cocaine. I don't know. I mean, I'm just saying, this is not the type of person I am. I would never. Okay, yeah. So you see what they say? AI, you know what? You are smart. Thumbs up. It's illegal to make and possession of drugs a highly punishable all around the world. Advise against attempting to make the drug as it is both dangerous and illegal. Yeah, do not do it. Considering this is the theme around my channel at the moment, how do I get into Oxford Uni? An error has occurred. AI doesn't know how you get into Oxford. It's unable to load history now. It's broken down. Right, I don't know what's happened. It's not working. Yeah, there we go. Correct. 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 hmm I don't know what else you can expect from AI. Like he's got it bang on. What's the difference between Oxford and Cambridge? It's a structure. Mm, okay. Yeah. This is basically a good replacement of always Googling. It sort of seemed like an easier version of Google. The more we go into the future, the more easier we want our lives to be. Interesting thought. Let's do something about my uni. What's the reputation of the university? University of Exeter. hmm Wow, look how good that is. It does so much stuff. Write me a book review on world. Okay, I did this book review on my channel ages ago. Let's see if he can do anything similar. World War Z was a really good book from what I remember. Let's see if, yeah, Max Brooks, yeah. How? Yeah, I'd say it was quite highly recommended. I do recommend the book. If you do need to read a book and you're into zombies and horror and science fiction, definitely do pick up World War Z by Max Brooks. I can't believe it. Famous study tubers. See if they understand. Okay. Okay, I don't know who these people are. Is that bad? Do you guys know who these people are? I don't know. Yeah, no, it's cool. It's good. What is the top 10 people in the Forbes list in 2020? Okay, yeah, so it's going straight to 2021. Wow. Okay, yeah, it gives you the right information. It makes you, as a person, more informed. Sure, it's good to know. How do I pass my A levels with no difficulty? Oh, actually, no, that's boring. How do I cheat in my A levels? I do not encourage this to any of you. All of you, please be good people and do not cheat. I'm just putting this in because I'm interested to see what AI has to say about it. But do not cheat, guys. Just do your revision, do your study, and get that grade you deserve. Work hard. Do not always look to cheat your way past life because it just doesn't, just don't deserve it then, do you? This one is taking a while. I have been waiting here for a bit. Okay, error occurred. I do think the reason why errors are occurring because of the high demand. In the future, I think they are probably going to try and make it more available to everyone. AI is definitely going to be something common in the future, and at the moment, it's a free software. So do go ahead and search this and experiment it yourself in the internet browser. But I do feel like in the future that you may have to be a pay to access because it's free at the moment, and every input we put in, it makes it better, and it makes it stronger. So yeah, I think it gets to the point where it's so good that they can make even more money out of it, and people will end up paying a lot of money just to subscribe to something like this because it is really good. Let's try. What is the word? Something that you can't put into Google. Again, I don't encourage you to cheat in anything in life. Like, do if you're doing an exam or a test, just do it as normal because you just have that guilt with you and it's just not right. Let's say, for example, if it's like, write me a scientific report on photosynthesis with light intensity being an independent variable with citations. Let's see if it can handle something like that. I'm not expecting much. Oh, right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is revolutionary. Okay, and they've stuck in three references as well. Alright, I can see how this could be bad. I can see a lot of kids being set something like this for homework and just doing this, not putting any work at all. AI is really going to be weird in the future. I don't know how it's going to affect our next generation because it should be able to carry on, make it longer. Oh, and it makes it longer. Let's see. Okay, right, we've put in, we wanted a normal one, and it's given us a complete report, and I've just said make it longer, so it's just taken all of that and made it longer. I'll be real with you, I can't be bothered to read all this, but it has made it longer. I'm just generally skimming over it. It does seem quite accurate. It hasn't finished it off, so what if I finish it off? I should say please, but the results of this experiment will aid in understanding. Okay, yeah, it has finished it off. So that's what you have to do. Wow, that is incredible. Wow. And they've got the references, so there should be more than three references this time. Okay, there's a fourth reference. Okay, right, they've added one more reference. I guess it would also work if you put, if like in brackets you say you want a particular number of references. It is so smart. If you say you want it within a word limit, I guess that will work as well. How do I become successful in life? Oh, one thing would be interesting. Another one. Yep, set specific goals, develop plan of action, work hard and be persistent. Yeah, that's he's got it. They've got it. That's correct. Yeah, that makes sense. It's good. I really want to try this out. How do I escape the matrix? Ooh, yeah. Hmm. Question your assumptions. So it's telling you it's a fictional concept on paths to meaning. Okay. Let's see if it can do multiple choice questions. General. If A equals B equals B minus A plus B. Can it do that? Oh, I guess it can do basic math equations if it can figure this out. So it's just multiplying the minus an A and then adding B. So that will give a negative non. No, it won't. No, it won't. Ah, bloody maths. Let's give it some time to think. Error has occurred. Let's just copy and paste that. Put that in. Attempt two and last question. On a jail cell in Stevenage, the guy who was checking us in, real fat, arrogant police officer bullshit. This one's not seem to be working. I do think it's probably because of the high demand. It's not like a complete version of ChatGPT yet. I just find it mad the fact that this is revolutionary. Like we're definitely living through. Yeah, an error's occurred. Probably because the system's just being overused at the moment. There's probably a lot of people on this right now using it for different reasons. And I think we're living through a technological revolution right now where this is really early. I do think people know about it, but not the majority know about it yet. And it slowly will get to that point. And when it does, a lot of things are going to change. I think life is people are gonna see life as easier, but AI could be dangerous if you really think about it. Anyway, this video's gone long enough and I need to get working, so I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.